Hello, in this lesson we will discuss about adjective. Adjective describes or modifies a noun or a pronoun. Let's see. Red shoes. Red modifies or describes shoes. Three books. How many books? Three books. That means books are described or modifies. My car. Whose car? My car. He is tall. Who is tall? He. That means adjective changes or tells about noun or pronoun. Let's see some types of adjectives. Descriptive adjective. It tells about quality, appearance, or characteristics of a noun or a pronoun. The vast majority of adjective stays in this type. Let's see some examples. This is a tall building. The building is tall. He is brave. That means the most type of adjectives, beautiful, ugly, amazing, those type of adjectives are actually descriptive adjective. And you see, I keep same type of sentence in two times because for first time the tall stays before building. That means adjective stays before noun. In the second example, the building stays before adjective. That means adjective can stay before noun and also after noun. Our third example is he is brave. I hope you understand this. Next is quantitative adjective. It indicates the amount or quantity of a noun. And those type of adjectives are many, few, several, all, some, enough, half, a lot of, a lot, much, little, and one or two or three, some amount. Let's see some examples. Several students are in the library. He ate half of the pizza. Next is demonstrative adjective. This point out specific noun, these, that, these, and those. If you see my previous tutorial about pronoun, you'll also see demonstrative pronoun. These, that, these, and those stays for pronoun in that tutorial. But here, those are used as adjective. Those are modifying noun. All right. Let's say example. This book. Which book? This book. This book is mine. It's telling about book. This book. Those stars are twinkling. In next is possessive adjective. You also see in pronoun possessive pronoun and here possessive adjective. Possession will be used as adjective. As usual, possessive shows ownership or relation like my, your, her, its, our, and their. Let's see some examples. My book is on the table. His car is very clean. Interrogative adjective. You also saw interrogative pronoun. Now interrogative words will be used as adjective. And those type of adjectives modifies a noun in question. What, which, and whose are used here. What kind of music do you like? What modifies music? Kind. Which route should we take? Which route? Which is modifying route in the question form. Indefinite adjective. You also saw indefinite pronoun. So here indefinite words will be used in adjective that modifies a noun by referring to an unspecified or general quantity or number. Those are some, any, few, several, all, each, another, and enough. Some apples are on the counter. How many apples are not said here, so it is indefinite. We have enough food. How much food we have is not defined here. In previous type, you will see in previous quantitative adjective, you also saw those type of words. So both are correct. If you say I have some books, how many books you do not have? So and some books also defines the quantity. Both are correct for quantity and indefinite. But suppose you are giving an exam where you get indefinite and quantitative option also, you must select indefinite because it mostly indefinite. But if you have question only indefinite and other options, or quantitative and other options excluding indefinite, you must select quantitative. I hope you understand this. That's what